Not only is it important to eat healthy if you're a human being, it's also really important if you have pets, little furry babies like I do with Onyx and Sterling. Now, I don't know if you noticed lately, if you go to the store or you go online to buy dog treats, a lot of them, number one, they're very expensive. Number two, they're filled with a bunch of preservatives and other stuff that you really don't want your dogs to be having, right? You want your dogs to live forever, right? Don't we all? So I'm going to show you a really great recipe. These are all natural, plant-based, vegan dog treats, and they're so simple and they're so good, and the boys absolutely love them. They're good and good for them. So basically what I've done is I just finished chopping up some sweet potato. I'm going to put that in a pot and I'm going to boil it just like a regular potato. You're going to end up with this nice and soft sweet potatoes. I'm going to add this to a bowl, okay? And then I'm going to add in about a cup of peanut butter. Now this is really important. It's crucial. Make sure you use all natural peanut butter. Any brand, all natural. I love the Justin's. Make sure it does not have any xylitol in it or any unnatural bad sweetener. It is poisonous for dogs. Really, really important. And then we're going to add in about a cup of all-natural wheat flour. Again, all good for you. Once you blend that all up with a mixer, it's going to come out like a dough ball, just like a cookie dough ball. We're going to roll it out, just like you would a Christmas cookie or any other cookie. Now remember, this does not have any leavening or thickening or rising agents to it, so whatever thickness you roll it out is what they're going to bake to be. I like to do it about a ½ inch thick. Take my cute little cookie cutter, my little bone cookie cutter. Voila. Look at these. Adorable little all-natural, plant-based vegan dog biscuits. We're going to put them on a baking mat, bake them at about 325 degrees for about 15 minutes. Once you do that, they come out looking beautiful, nice, crisp, crunchy, beautiful, amazing dog treats for your dog. All natural, all good and good for you. And remember, for those of you that know, plant-based is the way to go.